Did you ever notice how some robot vacuums are supposed to make life easier, right? But somehow they end up creating a lot of problems. Like missed spots, tangled brushes, the base starts to rust or corrode, and the real big one, they can't even find the way back to the charger half the time, or they don't align properly to the charging station. But that absolutely is over now. This is the MONSGA Robot Vacuum, and it solves one of the most annoying user pain points right out of the gate. So let me show you right here and now. You are. No more almost docked perfectly. No more, I think it's charging, isn't it? And no more, why is this thing dead again? This one feature, in all honesty, it solves the #1 complaint that people have with robot vacuums, and I've seen plenty of them in the trash. Oh, and setup takes less than 5 minutes. You snap the plate under the dock, plug it in, and you're almost done. It's one of the simplest setups I've ever seen. And then all you have to do is put batteries in the remote control and pair the app with your 2.4 Wi-Fi. The first thing you'll want to do is let the robot do a mapping of your house. There's mine. And as you can see, the collision avoidance and navigation feature is just outstanding with this MONSGA robot. So whichever way you decide to control your MONSGA robot vacuum, either with the remote control or the app, the technology is just brilliant. You can schedule a cleaning, you can do map management, dust collection, automatic dust collection, You have a variety of choices. Self-empty now.
Dust collection starts.
So all of the dust from the cleaning and mopping has now been exported to the dust bag. So let's confirm.
Mopping cloth removed.
Dust box is taken out and the mopping cloth has been taken out as well. This is the dust bin. Completely clean, and the filter's clean also. Now we're going to put it back on the charging station and line up perfectly.
Charge.
You can empty out the dustbin yourself and refill the water chamber. Mopping, wow, the floor was quite dirty. And the dust chamber is here. And you can refill the water right here. And the remote control is really awesome too. Just hit the red power button first, send the unit back for a recharge. Then you have auto clean, spot clean, Wi-Fi connection and reset, direction control. You can also maneuver the robot manually if you'd like, and the stop button. The carpet boost switch, which is a really cool feature. What that does is it automatically detects the carpets and increases the suction power for better cleaning performance. And the water level as well. Less and more water, depending on how much mopping water you want to use. And then also your suction level. You can do less suction or more suction. So let's talk about cleaning. The MONSGA uses a high-efficiency brushless motor that gives you strong suction without the loud, high-pitched whine that you get from less expensive models. It transitions smoothly from hard floors to carpet too. And it picks up human and pet hair without clogging or stopping. And the side brush actually reaches into the corners, as you've seen, instead of just getting kind of close. Oh, and this unique dustbin is washable. It's a huge win for anyone who hates dealing with dusty, messy bins. Inside the box, you get the robot vacuum, the protection plate, charging station, and the automatic dust removal system. The electrical cord, of course, a quick start guide, a remote controller, extra brushes, a cleaning device, extra mopping pad, extra dust collector bag, user manual, and HEPA filter. And smart navigation is absolutely amazing. It's really great with the MONSGA. It maps your room first, and then it plans its path, cleans in straight, efficient lines. It avoids chair legs and doesn't slam into walls. It just touches them and backs off, and it gets nice and close to the edges. You can't beat this unit for great cleaning. And when it's done, there's no hesitation, no drifting, right back to the dock to charge. Now I'm going to do the entire area, or I should say the robot is going to do the entire area. And make everything nice and clean so there is no detection of a spill whatsoever. Nice row back and forth formation for perfect mopping and vacuuming.
Back to charge.
And when it's done, it goes back to charge. Well, there it is. And since we did a lot of mopping as well, and the floor was quite dirty, I'm going to wash the mop pad. Then let it dry and put it back. And it reattaches with Velcro. Now it just has to dry. Again, the big difference with this unit is the stable, moisture-resistant, corrosion-proof base. It's a kind of a small engineering detail that completely changes the user experience in a big way. So who is the MONSGA great for? Anyone that's previously owned a robot vacuum that failed to charge. Or if you've ever woken up to a dead battery. Or if you want something that just works each and every day without babysitting it. If that sounds like you, the MONSGA robot vacuum is for you. Great suction, great sensors, great navigation. It's about reliability, solving everyday frustrations that other brands ignore. So if you want a great robot vacuum that actually charges itself correctly each and every time and cleans perfectly on your schedule, the MONSGA is it.